A man and his chicken, too. The man went to see a shoemaker. "Make a new pair of the shoes," he said, "and I will give you 6 chickens." The shoeman agreed. A few days later, when the man went to check his eggs, he saw only broken egg shells. "Oh no!" he exclaimed. "A fox has come and eaten all his chicken eggs." The man began to cry. He had counted eggs, not chickens.